Well, why are you there?
God, am I destined to remain in poverty for the rest of my life? Why has it become full of setbacks? I've provided for so many people. What about me? Why am I left out? I've toiled in school for all these years, acquiring all this qualification, but yet companies keep on rejecting me. What is wrong with me? Have I offended someone? No, I don't think so. God, please lead me to the rock that is higher than me. Let my heart overwhelm. God, please make a way for me. Let me get a job. Please.
Enti Frank into be yeni biasa how enti wo hwe wa wo susu ka se enti Frank wo twa brabo no pa enti obeye yeni odi biasa how me ba hey hwe akola wasi so hwe wo fa fa no nyina so ba ba bi ya tese wo wo mpe bo bi wa po ne branya ne sika wie na wo konkwa sika no pina wo ni bi na mami abrewa na wontu bi maname wono Frank we dependa en wo be ye ame biasa woni biasa ame Frank kwadofo be ma we kwadofo why you mother
woni mesi
why you mother
be mesi ne si bo ne wo modi wo pa adwuma adem ame wonye debut
fe no pa adwuma afi da da wonyini preserve no pa adwuma wow wala bo no mother
bempes I don't pay many Jana.
Me pay when it's a boo.
On one of me pen me pass I don't know.
Frank and why they come for a walk. When it's one your fair. Who could damn man? Says a woman who. What do we hear the woman? Nibis take it out. Nine be, Nibis is no bed or what did him? A big grass and white or proper your bassa. Mamma, young folk we hear to Ayo. We hear young folk we hear mobra. Pebeman and some of you. One bedroom, Mama, make that one bedroom. How I would it now? Kabeme Monra, what did now? Me Pabema was shut, store set the puppy, no what time. None of lay, Bellati, puppy by an interest no for the free show. Come on. What's yours? Yes, Beman Abbey. Now, oh my God, this is so, can have not been now. Oh, by Antona and Papa. Me Pabema or Fitter, what a gram, abo, was a gram of free. We are treating what about? Why are not you? Francis, what? Now watch that. Nantia, move. What's that? How what you going to now? I Frank, me Frank, ha. Method don't matter much. You me do baby amundina. Bang, Frankie, Frankie, May bang, Miss me put this salmon and die. Foolish. Ha.
What is eating you up?
A lot. A whole lot. Jennifer, you know I love you so much.
Yes.
But life does not want us to grow in the rings of love. People call us names, especially your mom. She fights us every day. All because I'm poor. I'm so poor that I can't even take care of you. Look, Jennifer, I can't let you bear this shame, Jennifer. I can't. I know there might be this rich man somewhere, somehow, who might be ready to provide everything, love you. And that is going to make your mom so happy.
A bird in hand was two in the bush. I'm taken aback hearing you talk this way. Frank, in your strong arms I'll forever remain with or without a job. I believe your hit is just around the corner.
Jennifer, when Jennifer? You know I've been doing all my best in search of a job. But look.
Yes, I know. Let's put our faith in God. Everything will be alright, okay? I love you.
Kopong, onya, kopong, ow. Amenina be waye, amenina beda wasi. Listen, amenina.
Nade no ndi aji say.
Woman me no me aje papa. Ow, me bay.
Catch me.
I'm so afraid.
Mama can be chat.
Mr. Fisi ya wo mi. Manager ya we ka ho nwotwe.
Mama catch me aje asama.
Usikani bi abase. Ow, bon tishu. Just what the walo. It's yin na mi as dem ya do.
How many times na me can trust them in pobia? I didn't know mama kwama me am fa obi am penade.
Ewra, as jade wo keka no. Na be ma wo ya wudi na chi no ya be ma be. Sa be ma no wudi na chi no wo ka. Ana wo ska betim dia hwe wo. Dia na wo.
We nya na ye den.
She.
When I saw nya ska odi die, I some tetim say. Aden.
Sa da bi be yie no. Amatemfa fele no. Hwani ye. Da bi be yie no hwani yo. Aden. Wo be wale skani no. Listen wo wale.
Men cannot. Let them pop jam.
Me na ya me safre wo. Na pepa me safre wo se na me banom. And one on a period. What I had, David, bye. Yeah, now hey, Mammy, Jim Fowl. When you want to jump for that's how you ran away. No, what, the crutch and all. My quantino bar was it, remember, you're the barrassy. Cut it in, say. Woman, say, Bema, no, only in the own pay. Cut it so, ma'am, you know, come at it. Me come at it. Won't pay. Ready on wire. Ready away with the way to sun life will be me fear. And yeah, the base on pay. She will put it with the chick. The over cast some way, who would have a win. Just walk or come. Nay, what Bob so? I don't say, Passa. Okay, it's one a year, perfect. Well, better somewhere, show better within the chair. Me say, me women can't come as one. None will put a bit bar. Papa Penny is what come. What's a mammy? I didn't know pay. Mr. Mesha will bait Mr. Hey, Mesha na me be a so. Was the cassa brew? You can't be say, I don't know better on. No, Mrs. No, I won't have it. Since I tried to be a yet. One said your life for city. For what children was that me? You cry and you, Madame Fubi. I will fret with Shabba. And into Gwana Minamio. May Freya would it to when you must have been made for per wassing or do the quadruple. Country Ben Alpe, US, Canada, London. Hey, me can't do what yet. See, I'm a crumpono. It's a new comment, yes. I mean, when you say be a ferry over. Maybe I know ferry, Miss Aunt Ferry, brand. Hey, into the money how. Nene Becca. About Chabam. Huh? About Chabam. Oh, Jesus Christ for Nazareth. About Chabam. Swap. A money how. A piano. Nene Becca said, "Me, Matter." Nene Becca said, "I'm going to wife a man how." Hey, my many, let's say, quite or more trying to. Yo, bye bye. About Chabam. Kaka dia bibi tishu enyima wo ben me before jene wo jene wo sewo ye wo ben me bi wo timi hwe wo ben bi was out me fa no ase no ebi ni wo abranti no abranti ye kumie me kwa ko sa temu da beba eni atemu da pepe na be pie ye so kengran na bi ye ko ndo kwanti me so fa me ban pa so be se wo se me ba no a hey sia wa bwa.
Na kwaku ai
Eba chokwaku okraso ko eyiwo
onya mai untene nka so okay mate na anya bia abrante na ofintie no watene nka
eba chode bi
unti bibia obi aso ka bia ma unti okay nya hwe memo ipa ofo abehye duma na se abebu fie no besi ne fufu kama ya me kana unti
ajase
memo obi abebu fie ne for ya me kana unti why you need to tell you now me say person me ka dey answer na wate
yes sir
nti no Kuba kaisi mabaha meko
Pacho
yeah sawa
Freda, I'm not happy. I am not happy. My mother is giving me hell, all because of Frank. I don't know, me never to point to me, my person of me peace of mind. What it say me? Today we are made through. I say you. I don't know what to do.
Jennifer, listen. I'm your friend, and I have to advise you. Listen, your mother is 100% right. Frank, I do my best. What? Mommy, why not want to do? Or we are Ben.
and no better in destination. She will never show me her one about fair at the sound. A member, high class member. Oh, my bomb will pray ye. Scaffle of a bill. Hey! Enough! Frida, because we are my downfall. So who am I to you now? I'm brown chain. I soon also catch him. Jennifer. Really? Okay. So you want me to be by your side? Once I can see clearly, step over the run dangerous grounds. Don't cross the limit. Okay? Don't you dare. I thought you're my friend. Huh? I don't know you're such a bad friend. Advising you for good, man, then a bad friend, huh? Jennifer! Jennifer!
How's it? Charlie, there's good news. I said there's good news.
Look, Ben, there is no good news in this world nowadays. In fact, life is hard to live.
See, if life is not hard to live, the chicken will cover its rectum with a red bandana. Now look, there is this contract in Accra. A mansion is to be demolished and then rebuilt into a 5-star hotel.
What?
Yes! And a qualified architect like you, my man, is required. Masa, don't worry, I have already recommended you to the owner and they will need your services.
Hey, Ben, look. Don't just come here and tell me stories.
You want me to swear?
Okay, swear.
I swear my father can turn a cop. Serious.
Ben!
You don't have to worry. Other friends, so.
Ben!
Frankie. Look, don't worry. Everything, I'm telling you. Oh, I've spoken with the man.
Yes. Why didn't you come for us to go and see the seamstress? For what? Oh, for a nice and sexy dress, of course.
Please, I don't like wearing mini skirts. I love this. Besides, Frank loves it too.
So it's all about Frank, right?
Anyway, that's just my baby.
Jennifer, I'm very sorry for what happened yesterday. Please forgive me. I never knew you were so much in love that you even threatened to skin me alive.
See, I am happy now we see eye to eye. Have forgiven you.
Sure.
Yes.
Still friends?
Yes, still friends. But Frida, please, I want you to support me. I love Frank. I love him so much. I can even die for him.
Please, you don't mean it.
All I need is your support. Please.
Okay. I promise to be by your side.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes. What are
Thank you.
friends for? Come on.
Thank you very much. Please talk to my mother for me.
Please.
That. Are you sure?
I would gladly
Do I count on you?
Count on me.
All right. You know I love you, right? And I'm ready to do anything for you.
Jennifer, I love you too. What is it this time?
My mother is giving me hell for not coinciding with the idea of not marrying a wealthy man. Yes, I'm in a fix and I don't know what to do.
Okay, calm down, Jennifer. Look, Ben and I are working on this contract. That will earn us good money very soon.
Save your breath. You're always talking about contract that can only exist in your imagination.
Jennifer, trust me this time, okay? Look, alright, okay? Look, all I need here is your support. and our lives will never be the same. Okay? I'm very sorry. Good morning.
Yeah, more Frank, I want to say. Ah.
Come back to Coca.
Oh, when you home? When you are ready there?
Oh, come on, ready.
Oh! What would I say? Bagum!
Oh, mommy. You go so in about your mommy. Anything I'm with your mom, you just come and show.
So, the entire person me ba no do nsa pra be ka woni ne be na ten so esa sa wonna mun nyina akomode wo ne da be na benya wo yefrum aduane ma mba ne bia di twata o ta friend nsa so ta friend nsa e te kom na do sa no wow ha krache kwai ahia coffee me aduane anso mi di ahia
but your gen for boss me hwe ne kakra wa
shi ka oba ka to be hia afro ta friend nsa ahia someone to you at the shame. Do I hear? One is him. For some flower. I can be fed. Hey! Here's a great one when you come down. Let me do it. Do what? There's one neutral in your day. Hey, Chawadu. It's already there. Meaning the proper. Remember, I want to go because of what I'm doing. Okay, I'm a fan and when I'm a tanker, go to Malacca.
How long will I be like this? How long will you forget me? How long will sorrow fill my heart day and night? Come in, Lord. Look at me. When? Don't let my enemies laugh at me. Don't let them gloat over my downfall. Lord Jesus, let this job be mine. If I'm able to get this contract, Lord, I swear I will live by your word. I will spread the word of you. I will never in my life forget you. Oh Lord, this is my prayer. I seek your answer. Let me hear good news in the morning. Please. This is my prayer.
Saya na mojem frama. Aya. Mama, ana mojem frama. We are silent consent. Wo wrade. Na no be fi asem am ka kire wo. Wo be mi fi ho no. Asem be na ka kire wo. Yey. Ma ka jo sem be ni na tibi. Wo na awo ne ma. Me say jam me ban life mano. Be crazy. Was it jam me life mam yo na ko bom bela. E crash jam me ban life mano. No ko bom bela. Adey. Ale se me pe da bi be ye. Amatan fa fere. Amati da na to ye o. Ko busa no. No na to amati da ayi oto. Da bi be ye. Amatan fa bon. Atafu be na fere ye. Wo ye be atafu fere ye. Wo ti wa wo ye be no wa ya atan fa fere ye. Crash me pa cha me fele what? Me fele ani diem. Me slow jam me bad life. Crash me pass how?
Mommy.
You should be.
Me say be ye. Na me wo ko.
Or tree or double.
Mommy, I did.
Oh, so me my wife. Can't sorry be saying.
Me ko.
Ah, sir. Steambird, what him? Me boy. Wo wura dey. Wo didi ono. Eh? Ade na wo je on me be ho. Kan na me ntwa ma. So do ka kan me ntwa ma dey. Wo wura. Me se me unti ma di awu. Da ko me bua ba no awu. Corruport. Me bua ba ko awu me se corruport. Wo pa ne mba nante biem. Me wo say ya. Me se me bua ba no awu. Me se me di awu. Ah. Eh ni achima tun.
Mommy, I did. Would they call him? Maybe.
Me ko. Can't you feel it?
It's okay, don't worry. I can't stand it.
Please. Ah, sir.
Please.
There's over 2 minutes long. Sorry for saying. Now what you mean? And some may come and you have been and you know be that's and now be who. The American and now be who. That's Chibino. What's the mammy kind of mentie? Sorry about me, Mr. Assassin. Assassin, Mr. Common money. Make Common money as a Hannah Munu. Manu, I'm going to find a man. I know we are someone we are. Let me at you. Let me at you about being we are. And Manu, and you know. That's no because me mammy can't yet. Baby, can you all want what they call? What about Papa? Right, Pat, not the room on me, baby. I dear when not the room on me, baby. I dear when not the room on me, baby. See, okay. When not the room on me, baby. Now, where I die? Where are your car? Where are they? Now, me to be called to be man. Where are the room on? Shakai.
I'm fine. You cool? Yeah. Good news? Everything is done. We're leaving for Accra tomorrow.
Oh my God, for real?
For real. You're going to swim in a pool of money. Oh my money. Just relax. Just relax. Yeah? We are leaving tomorrow at 6 a.m. Charlie, see me off, man. We are going tomorrow.
So tomorrow, 6 a.m.
6 a.m. tomorrow. Let's not waste time. 6 a.m.
Oh, shit!
Charlie, I'll see you tomorrow.
Jefua, God has really answered our prayers.
What?
What? 20,000 Ghana cedis? For what?
Yes. Look. I have been appointed as a qualified architect to design a 5-star hotel.
Huh? You don't say.
And this 20,000 is for a start. And to demolish the building, the hotel has to be built upon. So just imagine.
What? Oh my God! I told you. Stop it!
I told you our life will not be the same. Oh God, I told you.
Oh, Jarami ni come. What you want do?
Money.
Fridge yes, go quite. Fridge is on say. Na me ya do watch no pa huhu. Na chichi nsuo de gum. Na fa kochi.
Oh, Mom, wait a minute to come back.
Frank, sit down.
Oh, Mom, wait and come. Me, cremate Madame for me. Same family, the mom promised it.
Oh, but it's the empty. Frank, why for?
Mom, sir.
That's all one for say. That's who call that for.
Me, fire channel.
Ah, for her chair down for night so far. No, down for the way I Adriana.
I'm sorry.
I'm Pacha Dabi.
Ah, will be unto Betty.
Oh, Dabi.
Well, life for I don't know.
Me Pacha.
You are personal, Tari.
Yes.
Frank, it's not coming. Why?
Mom, wait and come in. Check out me. Say,
Why? Me, what damn. Why?
I'm so surprised about your mom's attitude towards me.
I don't know. Hey, Frank.
Mom is so quiet.
How much did they cancel the baby? Yeah.
Oh, Mom is so quiet. You're going to
me cast or to Betty. Ha! Why your friend?
Yeah, where we are the
How not
sir. Can you?
I told you. All mothers want good things for their daughters.
Yeah, I know. Please, let's talk about ourselves. Let's forget about my mother's issue. Why?
Okay. You need to see Accra for.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
I can't wait.
I'm going with you.
I can't wait to go there, man. You're not looking bad. Look at your shoes.
Really?
It's nice.
I bought it from Accra.
Where did you get this from?
I also bought it from Accra. Wait and see your staffs.
Really?
Yeah, I've staffed your room for you.
For me? You're that.
I just from another side, my family don't know. You be able to come back. I'm here. Fetch me what? Jabi be fetch me. And you me oh. We are so bad there be a person back. A baby bonny. And a big yan back. O be a padepa I couldn't see. And in your mere.
Oh, mommy.
And your mere miura.
Your mommy, what they mean be against you? Kakuma to you. Why?
Mate. Me fret
oh, mommy, we didn't be who are about our
sound. You, Quanso.
Oh, man, we the coins of Boko. We patch your way, dear, and he said, Otana Pameco Cocassium. Me walk with my door. Bonnie Bianca, but send me for Ako. As a Mijano ha, me come one I say Brawichi.
Person no here ko.
Me pacha.
Hey. Owura, nka ye. Na nso me bai waye ba ko pe, ma de ba ko pe. Me de kwan ka menya, nka won de on tra. Wo fra kwanto mu ba wo yire no. On wote ha no wo egufi ha ma me. Ese wo kunu wo yire wa ha na ono susu kunu wo akwanto mu. Nti de kamane nka. Wate?
Mami we de ene se me ne ko. Me pese me ne ko hwe ko kesi. Me be bia me tene adwuma me ye no.
No one question baby what here. Joe and the eye.
Patrol that me. Hello? Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, yeah, let me get back to you later. Why? Let us.
Hey.
All right, yeah. Bye.
So, group we are not in Tadia with Cabina.
One way they me call me.
Mr. So be to kwayo. Opian to one coffee and it's what dear. Afidi Cabina. Hey,
me pa me to bia bro.
But to Abraham. Na me dia tonka. Come do ase. Me fro we yaba. Mami, we there. And ni tete man we dey come say kwa ka dia. Friend me na me hu so be kwa na wonko. Yemfu a. Bra na kuna ba. Ha wo kuna ba. Your wife is coming. See your wife. Hey, your wife.
Whose wife? My husband.
Hey, Uncle. Haja, Wabaya. Was watching me at more break. Name on walk on. Was what the walk now walk or baby what's here. Yea, Ubako. Ah, or making ideas. The so shut them when you wash a shadow near ma. Wama, jam me, we are me who send a bay. Open. Me yet den cry. Opel. Say I'm a coon, say on Subakun be. If he kill you, I say kill him. Thank you.
Mommy, wait there, means say mumbre, come second kakra. I'm watching.
We will me patch out. Me pay what a macuma. What a macuma, my dear Bacupe. The qua wooden nail corner. I could have went in baby. Oh, Miss Sofanisha with Jim. Fanny, you mammy, Fanny, you wafa, Fanny, you swa, Fanny, you be be so didn't be all papa, but don't be all mammy. Just say what Miss Sowra from Betty show with Jim. Miss Row, or being Quenyabi, never know you're crossing when you want to quite that. When I didn't to quite your cratch. Eh? What did German war? War fetch the poor bayer. Slow. Slowati, no more fekwa. Miss Slow Kenny, mammy.
Mommy, wait there. Come at Jim Ford, do I come out? Do Shamo cry. When the message of a channel, let me see. Oh, Pajana quite. No. Me, I'm Pajana quite. I'm Pachway, I just mammy. Yeah, we would have sent a wood now. Take care. Was it TikTok? Man can't take me there, TikTok or Bonium. That's also TikTok. There, to miss it, take care. Me can't also TikTok. Oh, Pesa, who don't burn mass to the dead. We are no fool. Let me catch you. And if one was, it is said, yeah, come, I planted a Jawa, and what yes, I come a woo. Come and do it. I come a woo, was what ya, where you see come.
Jane Fua. Yes. You look so cheerful.
I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Have you won a lottery?
What lottery? You
don't mean it?
Yes. Frank anya adwuma no say on come on jamin kwame wa say nti no obeso de me ko tie ko tena ho.
Thank God.
Catch up say we asimutie to ba say we man kunim de ka me di wachi no me di onu ma me achi ahụ kasa me obi age no me age
I am me den so me ra ho
aden
so be jamin kwa wo kuro yi mu.
Kwaja, as I'm the Frank Neko, I am no turn uncle.
Baby, so my used to Minuwa Neko, Minuwa Neba, Nesse, and Kwaja.
Next year, and you can stay on your own.
Oh, you're so quiet, Mate. Yes, I brought Bonam Kakubo or Nessa. But please, you know how hard your mother has been struggling to take care of you. Senema ko yemawa. Please remember your mother.
Oh, what are you talking about? She's my mother. How can I forget her? I can't.
I was thinking, Seja, you can't Frank Cassimi, Umame, can't say Jane, Chidi, and Nema Quaco, you because they be an way. And there was a way and Miss Sunema, ya. Carriage, Miss
Martin.
Hey, with the Henry Adiet. My conto carbonate. Hey,
they're trying to wear me behind it.
Hey, come on, can life.
What is it? Why that look?
Yeah, hello, good morning. Yeah.
I don't understand. Why would someone want to demolish a nice house like this?
Look, God works in a mysterious way.
Then you know how it's yeah.
This is our chance, okay? Let's grab it. Alright, just take it easy. Let's go. Oh, make that show. I didn't remember. Oh, they'll be like, I finish your lunch and you know the way I drop plan is here.
That's all patrol in fact like I live with the no answer with pillar. It's what tintin when your boy and fin says something. Oh, woman, one I did where the alcohol fact now, I bet check. Not me patrol. Meeting the cockman. Meeting Namine Baba Kunawa. Also, didn't the happen. On in paying 70, I have friend sister. Mr. Mobanas, one of the tuna, a piano mamma to me. Mama Petron, or the Benin and Tiffy, how my people are.
Okay, and a quick boss. Nice meeting you.
Oh, nice meeting you. Also meeting you. What don't say me, Messa? Yeah, want to see a chromoma. I won't say, Madame T. I didn't be.
Jiva, you don't have to worry. Frank will take very good care of you, I know. Frank?
Yeah.
Sure.
Frank. Send Mamma. Now, when the amount said,
Oh, Debbie, I'll try your back.
Wow. So cause it time is we did be a 2 bottom. I do idea we any pet me secret to be a watch. I would say a jelly was such a melody, say a friend said Jack, I quay our run. Okay, that's it. But I'm some funny class if you feel with me, and maybe I'm a table to my balanda boy. I do as I may be what him what
What is it?
Someone was calling me.
Oh, not again. Listen, this is a very big house. The least noise to make echoes.
No, I really heard someone's voice.
Come on, let's just go have some rest. Come on. Stop crying. What is it? Ben.
Frank, my man.
Ben. Yeah. In fact, the way Jennifer behaved last night, man, it was so strange.
Strange?
Yeah.
Wow. What happened?
She says she's been hearing some strange noises in the building.
Strange noises. And what did you tell her as a qualified architect?
You know, all empty houses echoes a lot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and that house too is too big. I mean, it's very big.
Yeah.
So I told her, I just made her aware that the least noise she makes will echo. Man.
That's exactly what you should tell her. There's no other reason.
Really?
Sure. Frank.
Oh my God. Please, I forgot.
Yeah.
Your business.
Oh. Frank.
Ben.
Look, business is doing well.
Really?
Did I tell you about that $1 million contract I was expecting?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I had that contract and it's big.
Ben.
Oh, my man.
Cheers to that. Cheers to that.
Cheers.
More money.
Money.
Sure.
Good morning, madam.
Abna, how are you?
I'm good.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, madam.
How long have you been staying here?
Oh. For more than 10 years. You know, I was first a house girl here. So when master was leaving for Takoradi because of the oil boom, he left me in charge of this place. Why? Is there any problem?
Is there any other way to enter this mansion?
No, these are the gates.
Were you here last night?
Of course, you know me, I sleep early. I was in bed by 7 p.m.
Since last night, I've been hearing some voices. I would like to know if you have been experiencing it too.
Madam, no. Madam, please. Maybe you are having a nightmare or a bad dream, please. Let me go and do my job here, please.
Frank, what you say?
Oh, Mr. Stam, Namiadom, Bibia Boko.
Bibia Ekoso.
Mpachai.
Kwekuni Abna no, omuhwe kama.
Oh, Kwekuni Abna, in fact, they are very humble. Bia with the mommy.
Ejuma na mjema wa shia wansano, emu tisei, ni nkoso no tisei.
Adikuti to grab a bar and say, door bako other side on my design it, but door bako other side on no. Kiss not the mommy, you are training in the bako kwenti membi.
Kiss no, bia ira umana.
Do the mommy I don't think so, yeah.
Okay, nyede. Ende kobuoni e.
So,
buoni. Why?
O se menti me family am penye bibi. Tina. I no kwa kan na me be hu say again.
A good boy.
Be am afraid of Boko. The Momia Boko, sir. A year fear why it is here. And no maybe a cost of Fiosian, that any papa. Agent for any frank or mobile horse on Baby Budanego, or me here who see people with you. Da, and no matter see a cost of Fion, a Sewani and Sesame catch.
Enti.
Senti. Babu said, don't know so. Our brother wouldn't say baby is a walker, Moka, no Moka.
We need the walker.
Wouldn't so do a banner dress will be put down a good peer.
Ye dear. Omuno Frank Nijin for no Tiffion. Only Scapudu and Tiamoma, Tiffion.
20 minutes,
huh? Only scam with Tiamom. Who can ask him which me?
The one out there.
Okay, ye did. Only the oil see. Scanner with Tiamona. Ofion, Confess Canon Breme, Neco. Scanner made Tiamon, the Confess Canon Breme,
and Afro Flower, dear mammy. That's as my Kenyasicasm, who was some this year, who command yet.
That Gomalasio. Munyamo. Only Yansa, Uncasasam which Mimi Tiama Jimmy. Sanfiaco, don't feel in I. Talk about you in a do. That Gomalasio.
Nippon quan did was an obey, can it fly as a man of you? I had if you were Titi Mamma.
Mamunyamo, Mrs. Flamas,
ya mesra se ade oh obebe fie wa mesra
hwe wo so yi
awo de ho mesra wo so ye penya wo twa me kasa wo discuss mo ha adwen bebe fie di kan ka che me asa man hwa omba pu cause why adwen so obetu om da blend om so ma waso wie mada ti di kan ka che me asa na ezi am no ma adwen e ba se ba wo du krom kasa be fokum se kro wa bom dua me kodane e wo yesu di